the MiraNetwork. Okay, they are building their own blockchain, which is the Mira20 blockchain. This project, we have actually have two coins. We have the Mira Coin, and then they also have the Coin, the Lumira Coin. Now, the Mira Coin can only be gotten through ICO. Okay, through ICO, and I think one of that coin is $0.3 something dollar, around $0.25, and the expected listing price is $0.95. Okay, almost $1. That is it. But the Lumira coin is a stable coin. Now, the Mira coin, which is the first one that can only be gotten through ICO, has a limited supply of 27 million. That is the maximum supply, 27 million. But the initial supply that will be released is about 4.6 million, something like that. Okay. But this particular Lumira coin has an initial supply of 215 million coin and is a stable coin on the Mira20 blockchain. Now, this video explains or shows you how actually to start. You click the link in the description of this video, okay, and you ensure you register using the referral code. That gives you an edge. Let me tell you guys one truth. Whenever you're participating in anything that has to do with mining or related cryptos, always use referrals. Yes, always try and get referral code. Why? Most of the time to authenticate the fact that we are not a bot, okay, and many other things like that. Now, everything will be in the description of this video. When you open the app, you swipe here. When you open the app after installing and registering, just swipe to the right to come to this interface. If your network is not good, it might pay you network connections error, network blah blah blah. Just get the good network, okay. Now you would see on the screen, right? You would see this bowl. Let me show you guys. You see this thing here. This is where you click to start mining. 78 Lum, okay. Yes, and this is my current mining rate, 0.01 Lum per hour. I think the base mining rate is 0.01 per hour, okay? And I've not actually started mining, so that is why this is still just 0 here, time left. This is active miner members. I have more than 30 referrals, but these are the only people that are active as at the time of making this video. And of course, you would also see bonus for mining thing. Anything referral has bonus. And also, let me tell you the truth. There's practically nothing in life that does not rely on referrals, right? That is how, referral system is just like affiliate system or affiliate marketing system. So this is also the bonus I get per hour from those who are active. Okay, so this bonus increases, brings up the number of active members. Okay, now let me go straight. I'll show you the next thing. Here, you see this menu. This is the Airdrop menu. This has not been fully activated. So, as at the time of making this video, the active section here is this middle one. This is where you click, if you want to mine, or you just click on this miner here. Okay. Then, this reward, I'll also show you how you can actually boost your mining rate. Don't forget, you have on the screen, this is your mining rate, right? I'm going to boost it to increase my mining rate, and I'll show you how to do that in this video. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that. That is the only way you can actually get enough of this. Just imagine, I started this particular airdrop project not quite long, and I've been able to accumulate this, right? Because I am always increasing my mining rate. Okay, guys, and you can do as well. You can do the same thing as well. So just make sure. The link to the platform, to their website to be in the description of this video. You can actually check their roadmap, everything. Just scroll down to the end. Take your time to study, okay? That is how you get to know more about projects, okay? And this project is backed by Swiss francs, right? So the first thing to do is to start this miner by clicking on the middle button here. You see at the top. When we click on start mining, these two things are going to pop up. Now, let me show you something. This is continue without ads. Why this first one says continue with ads? When you continue with ads, you get double. Look at the description. It says double your mining rate per hour. Watch an ad to earn more Lumira per hour. During each mining section, by activating them, you will see an ad directly. Okay, so one of the way of increase your mining rate is by continue with ad. Okay, so you need a good network to do this anyway. So sometimes it doesn't work. So just continue with that ads. When it doesn't work, if you try 2-3 times, it doesn't work. So let me click on continue with ads. But then before I do that, because an ad is going to come up for me to watch, now when you click on that continue with ad, right? Like when I clicked on it, it didn't work, so I clicked on it 2 times before it worked. So when you click on it, it will load up an ad for you to watch. When you are done watching the ad, by the up right corner, exit the page. When the time reads down is complete, the time is, because it's going to be reading time, either 60 seconds or 10 seconds or 5 seconds, whatever it is. Then it will, just when you click cancel it, hold on, don't leave the page. It will pop up on that page where it will tell you, you see something like 200% boost, blah, 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 loading, and then you see claim reward. When you click on claim reward, another app will open up. Are you getting? So when the app opens up, allow it to just watch it to the end and then close it again. When you do that, you would now wait, and then you'd see this button here. This 200% are seen on the screen. Right? You see this button here, which will appear automatically, and then this particular project will start mining for you. Now, if you also look down, you would see that the mining rate has been doubled here. It was 0.02 initially, but now it is 0.04. So that is one way to increase your mining rate. Now, the next way to increase your mining rate is what? Is to come to this section. Now, you come to this reward section. Click on this reward section. Well, click on the reward section. You would see this page that says click and earn. Just click on it. Click and earn. Now, look at my screen carefully, guys. And you would see what is going to load up, right? An ad is going to bring up. An ad will be good. This is it. This ad. That is what you need to watch. This is what you are going to click on this page. When you click on this page, it will increase the mining rate. But then let me pause this video and do that. Now, once you've watched the ad, come back, click on this mining button below at the middle of this interface. This button to bring it to this page automatically. Now look at this the mining rate, because I watched one ad so far. It has increased by what? 0.008. Don't forget, initially the base rate on my screen was 0.02. Then I did the 200% boost. It increased to 0.04. And then I watched the ad via the watch section. It increased to 0.048. Now I can watch every 1 minute. Like I think after like 1 minute, I'll go and watch another ad. Like after 3 or 4 ads, I'll have to wait for like 5 hours or so before I will be able to watch another ad. However, that way will drastically increase your mining rate from 0.01 or 0.02 to about 0.9. Okay, so it's 0.09. So you'll be able to earn more. And then when you make referrals, of course, you earn more per referrals also are active. So this is how you actually increase the mining boost for this particular platform, and it is very, very easy, which I expect you to jump right on. Okay, and let's quickly go on and okay, just go around, play around this page, check the settings section here, the setting menu here. You see KYC is not yet active. Okay, and you can actually swipe between this place. Just click on these 2 things to change the reality. You want to change the full change to dark mode or the light mode, but I prefer the dark mode. Okay, so you can actually also check out the white paper here from this particular section, and that is basically all you have to do, guys.